wow. She dances on the hill so high, so free. Purple spots like stars, she's a galaxy. Purple cow, where are you grazing now? Under the moon or in the sun? Purple cow, you're so much fun. She wears a crown of daisies on her head, eats jelly beans and toast instead of bread. Her tail's a paintbrush, swirling skies so blue. Every move she makes sounds like a kazoo. Purple cow,